Ready to transform Microsoft Teams into your ultimate virtual classroom? Let's dive right in by selecting the Teams icon, usually located on the left side of your screen. Next, click on the Join or Create Team button in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Choose Create Team to start building your virtual classroom. Now, select Class as the team type to create a learning environment specifically designed for education. Give your class a descriptive name, like English Literature or Math Foundations. Then you can add a short description, which is optional. Start typing the names of your students in the Add Students field, and select them as they appear in the drop-down menu. Congratulations, you've created your class now. Within the General channel, you can start posting announcements, sharing files, and building your class resources. To organize your resources, click the Add a Tab button at the top of the channel. This allows you to integrate tools like Planner for assignments or OneNote for a class notebook. With these simple steps, you are well on your way to creating an engaging and productive online learning experience in Microsoft Teams.